Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. My name is Brianna, also known as Btaylorbeauty, here on YouTube and all my other social media platforms. And today I am bringing you this full face, just the face, not the eyes, but this entire face, this big face, okay? Let me add to my highlight, give me 1 second. Entire face is a drugstore face. I did my whole face with drugstore, and I introduced to you some of my favorite drugstore products. So if you want to know how to get this full face of drugstore products, stay tuned. Okay, so we are filming with all drugstore products today. I'm going to show you some of my favorite drugstore products, and yeah, you guys asked could I do an updated drugstore routine. I'm pretty sure I didn't watch the last one that I uploaded. I think I uploaded it last year around this time. I didn't watch it, but I'm pretty sure it's the same products because you know, there hasn't really been any new drugstore products that I have, you know, thought was bomb. And, you know, if it works, like, if it's not broken, don't fix it. So my current drugstore, my current favorite drugstore primer is the L'Oreal, what is it? Pore Perfecting Primer. It's like in a little jar. And I am completely out of that right now, so I will just put a picture up here so you guys can see what I'm talking about, and if you want to go pick it up, you guys can know exactly what it looks like. But yes, that is like my favorite primer. But today I'm going to go in with this Ruby Kisses Pore Minimizing Face Primer, and I just randomly picked this up at the hair store because I was going out that night and I remembered that I didn't have my L'Oreal primer that I just mentioned, and I needed a primer, so I gave this a try, and I mean, it's okay, but yeah, it's whatever. It's a primer. So then I go in and I like to set my primer, you guys know that, and I love this black opal powder. This is in the color medium, and I love these powders. I have all of the colors in my kit. If you guys don't know, or if you're new to the channel, I did start off as a freelance makeup artist, so I have like all of these in my kit. They're bomb. You can see like this is my personal one, and you can see like it's almost gone. So you know, that tells you the tea. So I'm just gonna take just a beauty blender. Well, this is my beauty sponge from my makeup line, Btaylorbeauty, and it's like brown. So I just take that, I just put it in the areas where my pores are like big as hell, which is my cheek area, and where I get oily, which is my nose, my chin, and my forehead. And I like to put it over my brows a little bit. I look crazy, but my favorite drugstore foundations are the Maybelline Superstay foundations, and I go between 355 coconut and 356 warm coconut. Do one pump of each because I really don't know what color I am right now. I'm going to take a stippling, a foundation brush, and like this is like full coverage. Like, do you see that? This is full coverage, and it withstands the heat because I remember wearing this last June in Atlanta, and my makeup was like, first of all, my makeup was flawless. That's number one. In flash photography, flawless. And it was so humid, and my makeup was just like still just flawless and just sitting. Like, it looked like I wasn't busting a sweat at all. It just looked amazing. Okay, so one of the most full coverage foundations at the drugstore. You have to make sure like you have it like blended, and you don't want to be looking crazy because it's full coverage. Okay, so now I look crazy because I look flat as hell. But now we're going to get into concealers. So I believe in the last tutorial these were out, and the Instant Age Rewind came out in colors for people like me, finally, and these are some of the best concealers on the market. The only thing I don't like is the applicator because it's a little unsanitary. But this concealer is everything. My next favorite, I love to mix things. I love to layer things. That's one of my bad habits. But MILANI recently came out with their CONCEAL Perfect Longwear Concealer, and I have this right here, and honestly it is everything. Okay, this is in the color Warm Tan, and listen, this color is just like so perfect for my skin tone. I like put it on top of almost every concealer that I have, and it just looks so flawless. It's about time they came out with a concealer that's like not trash, because they had concealers, but they just, first of all, the packaging looked dumb as hell. Just wasn't feeling it, you know. I'm gonna go ahead and blend this out because I don't want it to dry. I am also a big fan of the Black Radiance press powder. They have a lot of different colors. my top two favorite brands, well, I had like top three. My top three favorite brands in the drugstore is Black Radiance, Black Opal, and Maybelline. Like, they do it for me every time. So in this powder, this is Beautiful Bronze, and I also wear Beautiful Bronze in their liquid foundation and their stick foundation. And then I am also a big fan of this Maybelline Super Stay Better Skin Foundation, and this is in coconut. So, and I really like this like packaging. I just bring this around just to have like a mirror. So I'm gonna go in, I guess, with the L'Oreal Infallible powder, and I just set my face like normal. So remember I was telling you guys about this Maybelline Super Stay have a foundation powder to it. So I can't get my color, but I'm sorry, my nose itch. I can't get my base color, but they do have like a bronzing color for me, but it's so pigmented and so opaque that it just looks like muddy when I put it on. So I'm not going to use that today. I'm going to try to use something else. I mean, I have it, it's right here. It's in the color Java. Maybe just this is like too dark, because I really don't have, like, this is it. Okay, it looks like this, and like that's really all I have to bronze my skin. So I really just want to give it a try again. I used it twice before and I just wasn't a fan. I had to like blend it out. I had to just do so much work to blend it out. So I might take it on my Morphe M527, and maybe this would just pick it up a little lighter. See, like, look at that. I'm gonna knock off some excess and then see what I can do. Oh yeah, I have to use a looser brush. Okay. So yeah, I'm using this to bronze my face up. You just need like a looser brush versus when I use my regular like bronzers. Oh my gosh. My ebony, my Queen Collection ebony bronzer, or my photochromatic pressed powder from my own line. I use this and I'm pretty fine, but this is just like so pigmented that you need a looser brush. So that's why I really want to see what it would look like if I get a powder in my actual like face color, because I'm thinking it's going to be a dupe for the MAC Studio Fix powder, and you can just literally use that as a foundation on days when, you know, if you have like a job where you have to get up and like go in the morning, that would just be bomb. You can just put it on and you don't look dead. So I don't know, I'm gonna go on a hunt for it soon. Okay, I'm just bronzing up everywhere. Okay, and for setting powders, I had other setting powders that I wanted to try. I had this translucent banana powder from MILANI, and then they also had a translucent medium deep powder. I think I may just try it when I do my eyeshadow, because I'm afraid, like, I'm scared, so I don't know. Okay, that's pretty much it though, y'all. I'm just going to do some highlighter. I really don't have any blushes from the drugstore, that I'm like in love with. I really don't try drugstore blushes because I feel like they are all for like people like this and not like this. So we're gonna go in with some highlighter. I will do that much. And this is the Maybelline Master Chrome metallic highlighter, and this is in the color Molten Gold. Like, come on now. Best drugstore highlighters. Like, nothing is competing with these highlighters. Maybelline put their foot in this formula, okay, and they knew that when they dropped this that it was going to be a banger. Like, they just, I feel like they just knew. They knew. They try to act like they didn't know, but they know. Okay, so I'm gonna stop right here. This is the full face with drugstore products. Okay, I'm gonna go and do my eyes. I'll be recording that as well, so I don't know if the eye part will be up first or the face part will be up first, but I'm gonna go finish my makeup and I'll be right back. Finish my makeup and my hair, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I finished up the rest of my face, and this is the final look. This eye look, I did record it, so it will be up in a separate video, so make sure you check it out. If I already have it posted, I'll put it up here with the eye. And yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next video, and thank you for watching.